In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download your bank statement in either CSV or QBO format from Bank of America, and then upload and map those transactions for your accounting software. This process can be a real time saver when it comes to managing your finances, and it's not as complicated as it might seem. So, let's dive right into it. First, you'll want to begin by logging into your Bank of America online banking account. Once you're there, navigate over to the section labeled Statements and Documents. You should be able to find it from the main menu after you're logged in. This is where you can access your previous statements and transactions. Now, take a moment to select the account from which you wish to download the statement. It's important to choose the correct account to avoid any confusion later on. Once you have the right account open, look for the option to download the statement. Typically, you'll have multiple formats to choose from. For our purposes today, focus on downloading it in either CSV or QBO format. CSV is quite versatile, usable across many platforms, while QBO is tailored for QuickBooks. Make sure you pick the one that aligns with the tool you plan to use. After selecting the format, download the file to your computer and save it in a location you can easily remember. It often helps to have a dedicated folder on your desktop for financial documents for quick access. With the file securely downloaded, it's time to head to your accounting software to upload the transactions. Go to the banking section of your software's dashboard. Here, you're usually given the option to upload your transactions. Choose this option, and then you'll be prompted to select the file you just downloaded. Be sure to double check that the file selected is the right format and for the correct bank account. This ensures that your transactions are uploaded without any issues. Once the file is uploaded, the next crucial step is mapping the fields. This part involves assigning specific columns from your CSV or QBO file to match the fields in your accounting software. It's a critical step because it ensures that each transaction is categorized correctly. Take your time to make sure everything matches up. Common fields include the date, transaction amount, and description. An accurate mapping will ensure that your financial records are reliable and up to date. After mapping, go ahead and proceed with the import. The software might take a moment to process the data. Be patient. When the import is complete, review the transactions to confirm that everything was imported correctly. This might involve checking that the transaction amounts are correct and ensuring there are no duplicates. And that's it! You've successfully downloaded your bank statement from Bank of America and